Okay, I wanted to just show you quickly what I'm working on here. It's an updated version of the article editor that I've been using, and also that's been available through my Fat Content course. And there's a few differences to this one, namely that the editor now is a what you see is what you get editor, so you can basically do HTML and layouts and all the rest of it in here. In fact, you can load web pages. If I just go across to one of my sites and show you. Okay, you can't see that now because it's on off your screen, but basically this is one of the websites for my site builder, so you can actually load in templates. If you have a site and you want to build you want to write an article for it, you can actually have a template set up and just load the template and then create your content. But let me just remove that and show you an example. We've got keyword section here that has now, well, at least one of the versions of the software will have this keyword spider built into it. That's the same keyword spider as KRA Pro. Let's just take an example here. This is similar to one of the reports I've already done on gestational diabetes. This goes to Google and retrieves synonyms from Google, in other words the words that Google think are related, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to delete those that don't make an awful lot of sense, and then I'm going to add those into my project, which you can see now here, and also theme words if they exist. And I'll go across and use the keyword spider as well, and just leave that running. I'm going to pause the video until that's finished and then show you what happens. Okay, the keyword spider has now finished, and it's produced this report here with theme words, 2-word, 3-word and 4-word phrases, which I can just double click on any of the ones that I want to include in my list. So I'm just going down and picking the ones that I think are the most relevant. Okay, that's 1-word phrases. I can do the same with 2-word phrases. Now if I double click on any of these and they're already in the theme word list, then they won't be added again. 3-word phrases. I think you get the idea. And then 4-word phrases if there's any there that I want, and I think that'll be it. Then I can go back to my editor, and you see here now I've got a list of all the words, the theme words, and over here theme phrases that I should be trying to get into my article. Now the next step would be to create your article in this section and base it on these theme words and also on the theme phrases that you want to get into the article. Now I haven't got time to do that now, so what I've done is I've searched Google for gestational diabetes, and I'm going to pick one of these articles that's written, and I can show you what would happen next. Right, so I'm just going to copy that and paste it into the editor. There's the article there, and then I'll go and I can do a few different things here. I can check the words, see how many times each word is being used. I can have a look at a keyword map, which shows me where those words and theme phrases are appearing on the content. And a final check is this theme report, which tells you the theme word, how many times it appears in the article. Some of them might be looking a little bit high, so you might want to check those. It tells me which theme words did not appear in the article, so I could always add that in if it was important. And then it gives me theme phrase counts, tells me how many times the theme phrases are in this article and which theme phrases were not found in the article. And then at the very end there's a summary, which is really just for your own personal use to decide whether you have themed the article well enough. But that's the idea. This demo that you're seeing now is an early version. I'm still working on it, and it just shows a tiny bit of what this software is going to do.